All right, guys, we're going to get the equation of a line given 2 points. So we're going to be looking for y is equal to ax plus b once again. And we're going to do that using an x1, y1 right over there and an x2, y2 right over there. The first thing to get is the a, then the substitution for b. So a is equal to y2, which is 0, minus y1, which is 15, divided by x2, which is 45, minus x1, which is 0. 0 minus 15 is negative 15, and 45 minus 0 is 45, so negative 15 divided by 45, oops, little typo there, negative 15 divided by 45 is going to be equal to negative 0.3 repeating. I'm going to keep that repeating sign, very, very important. That's intentional here. And the reason is, you can see I got a rounded one over here. They're going to hope to try to catch you on the substitution. Now you might realize that that reduces down to negative 1/3, but if you didn't and you use decimals, then you need to keep all those threes. All right, really important for when we go to find the b right now. Okay, so make sure you keep that. Write those decimals down or use the little symbol to remind yourself. So y, I'm going to use my 0.1 here. Y is 15 is equal to a, negative 0.3 repeating, times x, which is 0, plus the b. Now in this case, negative 0.3 times 0, 3 repeating, times 0 is 0, plus b, and my b is 15. But had you picked 0.2, it may have changed things a little bit, and I'm going to show you that really quickly. So let's say you would pick 0.2 to do the substitution. There's your y. 0 is equal to a, negative 0.3 repeating, times 45, plus b. Now, we know that this has to come to negative 15, and the 15 has to come over to become positive 15, or add it to both sides to become positive 15. But watch what happens if you don't put that repeating sign. So with the repeating sign first, negative 0.3 repeating, as you can see here, times 45, and there you can see that 15 pop up, right? Negative 15, which will become positive eventually. But if you stopped and you rounded it just to, let's say, 1 decimal place, watch what happens. Negative 0.3, and if you had just rounded it off there and times that by 45, you're no longer getting 15, you're getting 13.5. So it's really important that you use that whole decimal, and that's because of the fraction. Right, the fraction that you're seeing in one of these right over here. So y is equal to negative decimal 3 repeating plus 15, and if you weren't sure, you can go ahead and divide that 1 by 3 and you'll get your repeating decimal right there. The answer is A.